Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set or insert map chart in MS Word, that means the Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So for this case we will go to the any kinds of MS file, that means the Microsoft Word file in Windows 11. So here lots of word sections are here that which representative lots of sections or lots of things are presenting here. We want to do the lots of things. So here insert have, we will click, and the insert options have the chart. We will take what? We will take the map sections. Here the map things has been revealed. So if we press OK, see the map chart has been revealed. So how it will get it? See here. So in this way. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.